Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is CN on the screen. You're watching CN Great Councils and Forex Trade. We're still on the series of end of the year end of the year powerful strategies that will change your life and make this festive period pure for you. Okay, we said the remaining parts of the year must be pure for you, and of course this is still part of the Fibonacci series, and I just spotted the move, and let's just quickly bring our Fibonacci tools. Okay, I hope you can still remember the settings. Let's bring our Fibonacci tools right away, and then remember that for boom you place it on the high, okay, and then you draw it down. Okay, your 100 of course has to be at the wick of the candlestick that started the move. You draw it down, that is for boom. Now you draw it down to where the market started making a reversal. Okay, if you are placing it, for instance, if the up is if the high is on the wick of the candle, do good to also place it on the wick of the candle of the low, and if it is on the body of the candle, you also repeat the same downward. Now let's zoom out to see let's zoom in rather to see our placement is actually on the wick, but then we discover that this doesn't, the high low doesn't really have a wick, so we bring it down a bit so that it'll be touching the body. Yes, so we are doing body to body of the candle. Okay, body to body of the candle. Now let's zoom out. Just as you can see the significant levels, you see, what can you see right now? Okay, the market was on a bearish move from here, and then it was making a series of lower highs and lower low, lower highs and lower low. This is of course selling cycle. This is 1 hour time frame, but then it got to this verified support zone, and then it made a reversal, a pullback, a retracement. Okay, now and then the retracement exceeded the 23 level. This is a reversal level, a significant level. It exceeded it. It didn't give us serious sign of the trend returning back to its bearishness. Okay, but then it proceeded, so we were left with other levels, other significant level, and the nearest one is this 38.2. Now all these levels, they really matter, although we say this is the most significant, but all these levels the market can reverse at 10. That's why it's called Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so we are looking at this level now, and it has given us a good sign of reversal, that the market is a good sign of reversal from the retracement. Okay, so and then what are we looking at? There are other confirmations here as well. Okay, so what we're going to do now is that we're going to place our trade. Before we continue, I'm taking on 2 trades. Let me take on 2 trades. Because this is pure confirmation that the market is going back to its bearishness from that point. Now look at it here once again. The market was on a bearish move. I mean, the Fibonacci tool, if you understand how it really works, is extremely powerful. That, I mean, it works. It's so powerful that you can use it to make thousands of dollars just on a single trade, because you know what the market is doing. Now the market was on, this is actually a selling cycle, and what I'm doing already, this is a trend line already, and of course the Fibonacci tool has even drawn a trend line for us. But then we're going to place our trend line now, so that we want to further confirm what the market is doing at that level, and to further solidify our claim that the market will be reversing from that side. I mean, going back to its bearishness from that point. Okay, now let's put this trend line. What are you seeing, guys? What are you seeing? What are you seeing? This is a pure confirmation. This is a pure confirmation. Now look at it. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This trade is gonna push down at least. Of course, this is going to be our first take profit. This is going to be our first take profit. Okay, the next level. Now, the market actually moved from this premium level on a selling cycle, making series of lower highs and then lower lows down, and then it got to this point and it decided to make a bullish move in form of retracement. And then this is where it is exactly at this point when you see the market made this bullish move to this point. That's where you're supposed to place, assuming we came to meet the market there, that's where we're supposed to place. That was when we were supposed to place our Fibonacci while we are waiting for the market to retrace. Now it got to this point. This is where we're supposed to place it here. I beg your pardon, around here. Okay, when the market made this move to this point, we would have placed it, drawing our Fibonacci from the up to this point. Now remember, this is the move. This is the move from here to this point. So we would have placed it, and then we're waiting for the reversal. I mean, for the retracement, for where the market will reverse again and start making its bearish movement once again. And so the spike exceeded the 23.6 significant level. So we were actually looking at this level, and not just that. Look at this place. If you trace it down, you discover that this is actually a verified resistance. Okay, of course my fractal has picked the swings already. Look at this place. Okay, it has picked it. It has picked it already. Okay, so this place became significant, and once the market got to that place, you see what the market started doing. Okay, now these bearish candlesticks closing around that area, of course we have, okay, is an indication that there is an increase in selling pressure and volume, and is starting from that point. Now this market is going to push down at least to the next significant level. So if we don't want to stay in the market for so long, we can take a profit before this next significant level, or we can decide to lock our profit once the market gets to this point. We lock our profit, or we take partial profit. We have diverse options. I mean diverse options. I beg your pardon. Diverse options. Okay, we have diverse options. You know, we can do a couple of things here. We can either take our total profit when it gets to this place, or we take our partial profit, okay, and then leave the rest to run, or we also lock up our profits once the market exceeds or is getting to this point. So those are the few options we have to take, but I want you to just take note of this. Now the most significant is from 100 down to 0. Of course, you know this is my special significant levels. Okay, special significant levels, because sometimes, of course, they are always significant. Look at it. Look at this point. Look at it. They are always significant. So these are the special settings, of course, that we've been talking about. Okay, so but then always take advantage of something like this. The Fibonacci tool is extremely, I thank God I really took my time to study it, learn it, make manipulations, and then I've really come to test and believe that, oh, there are lots of things that work in Forex, and all you need to do is just to give it your time, learn it, guys. Now you see, I've been talking to you for how many minutes now, and the trade is still going down, and I know pretty well that it's going to push at least to the next significant level. Okay, so if you are new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please, I beg of you, you can't be getting values from this channel and then you're not a subscriber to the channel. Please kindly do so right away. And hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to watch the video. Now if you go to 5 minutes time frame, the next significant level we're talking about is somewhere here, which is a huge market. That's going to take us up to hours, about an hour plus, because each candlestick here is 5 minutes. Okay, and it's going to take up to above 10. All right, it's going to take us above 10 candles to get to the next significant level. So if I feel once the market get to this point, I can lock up the profit or take my partial profits and of course I can as well decide to allow. Of course, I told you earlier that the Fibonacci, this red line has also given us a kind of trend line, so I might be in the market waiting for the market or the price to come down, and as soon as it's about touching the red line of the Fibonacci, remember this red, the diagonal line is of the Fibonacci. Before it gets there, I can take my total profit. Of course, this is a very strong and verified support zone. I wouldn't allow the price to get to that point and then I will exit the market. So I also want to use this opportunity to remind you guys of my mentorship program. There are many things we also say in the mentorship program, many exposition, many secrets that we might not really contain in YouTube videos. Okay, so please, you need to invest. There is one secret I'm going to reveal to you that will change your entire trading career. Okay, so many thanks once again for watching this video, and I'll talk to you in my next video. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to set my stop loss just above this place, okay, just in case. But I'm pretty sure this market is going to push down at least to the next significant level. So guys, I'll talk to you. This is CN Great Councils signing out for today. Bye.